Hello there, this is Madan Raj from Code Future. What is up, guys? So, in this video, I'm going to talk about little shortcut things which we all love, right? So, yeah. So, in Flutter specifically, if we go and see, like in Flutter, before starting to code, what do we get? We get a basic design, uh, basic design which is done in Adobe XD or Figma or something like that. So for Adobe XD, I got to know a plugin. Like I have heard of it, like some Instagram ad and all. So there I saw from the UI we can convert that into the code just on a single click, and I was like, if that can be done, then it is super great, right? So I tried it today, so thought I would share with you guys. Okay, so if here, this is the card which I tried to convert to Flutter, and if you want to see the result, here you can see almost 90 to 95% same, right? Correct. So what, so should is already the programmers jobs are going to extinct? No, there are many other problems which I am going to share with you guys, and will like, is this is the correct way, or is how much is it helpful, right? Because it is shortcut, and always, like, there is some problem with this also. So yeah, I will share those with you. So this is to, if you want to get that plugin, then you have to open, basically Adobe XD is free, okay, and inside that there will be a plugin like plugin here section. There you have to click and you have to go inside discover plugin, and if you go there and click on search and type Flutter, enter, then there are multiple plugins. Here you can see plugin, Flutter code generator, and this and that. I don't know why. Wow, this is bug, right? Let me see. Wait. Did I just found a bug? Flutter. No, it isn't. It is not. Okay, I think my PC. Okay, so here you can click on it and just install it, right? Here, if you try, if I like big, make it big, then here you can see we can. It's showing here like how to export and all. Okay, it's just basically easy. Only I will tell you. Like, you just have to, either you can export all the widget, which will be the whole app, and I cannot show you the whole app because of, this is real world project. But for example, in the whole app, there, if we want to export any specific widget, then like you can click on it and you can click here like copy selected, and then you can paste the code. Okay, so let's do one more time. So basically for that, first you have to create a Flutter project, like basic empty Flutter project, or may not be empty Flutter project. Just the only specific thing is like three specific thing we need here: a Flutter project and two packages. Okay, so here you have to click copy selected, and I will just minimize this. Okay, and this is my Flutter project, right? I believe it's already running, right? Yeah. So here I can create a new file, which we can call that like a widget, like a card widget, right? Card.dart. And here let's create a stateful or stateless function like widget. I will create a stateless, and let's say order card. Perfect. And now I can just import come on, man, import material. Okay, and inside in returning, I can just return that. I can just copy paste that whole code which I got here, right? So here, while there are some error, so basically it's nothing more than just importing two packages. The first of it is Adobe XD package, I will tell you the exact name. Here it is, Adobe XD, Adobe underscore XD. And then here one more package which name is SVG, Flutter SVG, yeah, Flutter SVG dot, yeah, that's it. And then all good to go. Then the only thing remaining is I need to call that thing here. So order and card, perfect, right? And it's auto imported, and boom boom boom. So I will restart the app. Let's see. Actually, you guys have already seen the output, but I will tell something more about it. Let it restart. No, 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 no. So yeah, it okay. It has started it. Yeah, here you can see, right? So Adobe do Flutter, the title is, and there is one card. Perfect, awesome. It's not tearing apart and all, but there is side effect, the big side effect, which is it's not responsive. Okay, and it is not responsive, and also if you see the code, which for just this small card you can see like it's almost 500 lines of code, right? It's too big. I have coded the same thing, which is very less. I don't remember the exact lines of code, but it's very less. So this is the drawback. But so when can we like take advantage of it? So suppose you have got one specific design which is very hard to code. For example, here if you see the shape, the curvy shape and all, that is kind of an hard, right? So for this specific widget you can just export it and use it like that. And also here you can make it reusable. In that case you will have to just call it here, and inside this you have to pass all the properties, and then it will be reusable. Okay, if we know Flutter basics, then you will know what I mean, like reusable, right? So yeah, that's it. Like it's not 100% replace, it's not responsive, it's too big of a code. These are all the disadvantage. Only the advantage part is it can save our time only in the hard complicated design, in which instead of like designing that whole thing, it will design for us, and we have to make it responsive manually. For example, if you come and see here, the width and height and all are in pixels, right? But because they are in exact pixels, then if the screen size differs, then it will break, right? So basically if you see the overall view, then it's very bad idea to use Adobe to Flutter plugin. And I just wanted to share, like I have heard of it, and if some of you guys are thinking about it, then it will be good to know more stuff, right? Like it's always good to know more. So yeah, that's it. This was a small quick video. That's it for this video. I guess I will catch up with you guys in another one with more Flutter. Bye.